हम भागते शहर से बस थोड़ा सा सुकून चाहते थे और इस जगह ने हमें खामोशी में जवाब दे दिया। यहाँ सब कुछ धीरे है, हवा, लोग और ख्याल भी। कहीं कुछ कहना ज़रूरी नहीं होता, कुछ जगह सिर्फ महसूस किए जा सकते हैं। ये एक शहर नहीं, एक ठहराव है।
प्रिजर्व कर किए जाते हैं एंड नहीं ना प्रिजर्व किए जाते हैं नहीं।
वीकेंड के लिए तो सभी एक्साइटेड होते हैं, पर वो एक्साइटमेंट और भी बढ़ जाती है when we are planning for a trip. I mean, you can relate if you love traveling, right? We like to spend our weekend far away from the hustle of busy city life and going to a place that gives you peace and all the serenity you need. Welcome to McLeodganj. This place is known for its mix of Tibetan and Himachali culture, जो हमने पहले भी देख रखा है, but this time let's dig into the local life, spirituality and the aura of the place.
Welcome sir, Stonewood Mountain Road, Dharamshala.
Om Mani Padme Hum. This ancient mantra echoes through the mountains here, carrying with it a prayer for compassion and peace. And today we are walking a path where every step feels sacred. Welcome to Gora Circuit. This is a 2-kilometer walk that wraps around the Dalai Lama temple. You will find ancient money stones with Tibetan prayers carved on them and thousands of flags carrying the message of hope and wisdom in the wind. Buddhists walking the Gora is an act of meditation and devotion. It is believed to bring good karma and inner peace. आप यहाँ spiritual reflection के लिए आए हो या फिर सिर्फ एक peaceful escape के लिए? ये जगह बहुत लोग मिस कर देते हैं, but we are glad we did this, as it makes you slow down, reflect and connect with nature. So after the Gora Circuit walk, we decided to come to Dharamkot for lunch. यहाँ बहुत सारे कैफेज हैं जो आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, but for now we decided to stay in Cool Dog Cafe. और अब हम जा रहे हैं मैक्लियोडगंज एक्सप्लोर करने.
अच्छा लग रहा है। बनाने का तरीका में भी डिपेंड करता है। लेगा एक पीस।
This is our day 2 and we have signed up for a Tibetan cooking class to learn some authentic recipes straight from the locals. Meet our amazing instructor Rajni, who is going to guide us through the local traditional dishes.
Hamtuk also with that with the dough, sorry, and Momo also with dough.
Okay.
And
So
Sumas also with dough.
give us an advice for something else to make.
इनको मैं समझा रही हूँ ना कि like Chinese cutting, like this.
Julian.
Okay.
We learned to make momos and thantuk from scratch, from kneading the dough to filling and folding. Not easy as it looks.
तुम ही खाएगा ये ठीक है
Did you do it?
She only eats this.
I'm coming.
Everyone is different, but we love them all.
Everyone is different, she is special.
So we don't have to completely melt the butter.
No. I don't. If you can melt it, 4 kofta in the one time. Okay. Yeah. And put it in the bowl.
Yeah,
That was a warning.
so we have thantuk here, malai kofta, really hot
On their way.
sauce.
Momos are on the way.
Yes, momos are on the way, and
Thantuk on there.
table is all set.
Yes. And you've seen everything. I give you rice.
And finally, time to dig in. Nothing tastes better than the food you cook with love, trust me.
It was very lovely, and we learned to make all this really special food. And we got to meet you guys, which was super exciting. We're happy that we got to do it with you and not with Israeli people. So it made the experience so much better, and all the food was super tasty. And I hope we know how to make it at home.
Okay.
So do come and visit. Links मैं description में डाल दूँगा कैसे आना है, how to contact ma'am. And you can do definitely come here anytime with her appointment, and she'll be teaching you how to cook delicious food. काफी प्यारा खाना था, let me tell you. Please do come, okay?
My name is Razni, and I'm from Dharamsala, in a small village like Baksu, and I give cooking classes till 22 years, and I love cook. This is for my business also, and that's it.
तो आप जब भी मैक्लियोडगंज आओ, ये कुकिंग क्लास ज़रूर एक्सपीरियंस करना. It's the perfect way to experience the culture, meet amazing people, and of course, eat. So if you want to experience this yourself, comment down below and we will share you the details. तो बात ऐसी हुई कि हम जा रहे थे यहाँ to catch that beautiful sunset over the Dhaulada ranges. पर पहुँच गए यहाँ and something unexpected happened. प्लान तो व्यू पॉइंट जाने का था, but somehow we ended up at Naddi River Point. Yup, not what we planned, right? But it turned out to be a hidden gem. And oh my god, look at this place. It's so serene. You can actually hear the river flowing. Cool breeze, the silence, it's magical. It wasn't crowded at all, which made it even better. Honestly, sometimes the best memories are made when things don't go exactly as planned. But trust me, this little detour is something we will remember always.
तो हम पहुंच गए हैं नॉर्बिलिंका इंस्टीट्यूट। ये जगह अपने टिबेटन आर्ट, कल्चर एंड लिटरेचर को प्रिजर्व रखता है। ऑल्सो ये जगह फेमस है यहाँ के ट्रेडिशनल टिबेटन आर्किटेक्चर के लिए भी।
As soon as you enter, you are welcomed by the stunning Tibetan architecture, lush green gardens, and such a peaceful vibe that you instantly feel teleported. Everything here is designed to reflect harmony with nature, from bubbling streams running through the garden to the intricate pathways. We then stepped inside the Seat of Happiness temple. It's filled with breathtaking murals of Buddha, and right in the center, a massive golden Buddha statue.
बहुत पीसफुल प्लेस है ये। आप लोग जब भी हो यहाँ पे ज़रूर विज़िट करना, 5 मिनट ज़रूर बैठना। It's very silent, very nice.
One of the most inspiring parts was watching the artisans at work. From Thangka painting to wood carving, you can see how deeply connected they are to their craft. Every stroke, every detail done with so much love.
एक महीने सिर्फ इसको बनाने में। तो ये थे गाइस थांगा पेंटिंग, जिसकी प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट 50,000 रुपीज़ से मिनिमम स्टार्ट होती है। बट जो प्रिसीजन एंड एक्यूरेसी लगता है इस पेंटिंग में, आई बिलीव इट्स वर्थ इट ऑल्सो. इनके जो गोल्ड कलर्स होते हैं वो एक्चुअल गोल्ड से ही बनते हैं.
They also have the Losel Doll Museum here, showcasing miniature scenes of traditional Tibetan life. It's fascinating to see their customs and traditions brought to life in such a creative way. Before leaving, we couldn't resist checking out their craft shop. Everything here is handmade, paintings, sculptures, and textiles. Visiting here felt like stepping into a different world, calm, artistic, and full of soul. तो ये थी हमारी ट्रिप टू मैक्लियोडगंज. ज़्यादातर लोग यहाँ मोनास्ट्रीज, ट्रैक्स या फिर कैफ़े हॉपिंग के लिए आते हैं. बट इफ़ यू टेक अ स्टेप डीपर, यू विल डिस्कवर द सोल ऑफ दिस प्लेस, इट्स हिडन रिचुअल्स, एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री एंड आर्किटेक्चर. अगर आप मैक्लियोडगंज एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हैं, देन स्टेप अवे फ्रॉम द टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स एंड एक्सप्लोर द हिडन ट्रेजर्स. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो, देन डू हिट द लाइक बटन and subscribe for more such contents and unique travel experiences. See you in the next one.